Hey everybody, my name is Dylan Lappin and I've been playing drums for almost 39 years. Yeah, I remember beating my mom's uterus when I was in the womb. When it comes to music, I love playing hard-hitting metal, rock, motorcycle shoegaze, indie funk, rock, metal. Doesn't matter, smash them together, I'm gonna play it. It doesn't matter what kind of day it is either, because I'm always gonna get some sort of inspiration. And either I'm playing with my band Sonic Taboo, or working on my own personal projects like Recently Single, which I'm not. I love my girlfriend, but it's a pretty good name for a band. Drums is my passion. I just love getting on the kit, and it's a great way to show my pure aggression through rhythm. Hey, what sticks do you use? What sticks do I use? I use Collision 5BR. Typically I use a 5B, but they sent me the 5BRs, and I instantly fell in love with the extra reach that it gives. I mean, these things are powerful and durable for my high-impact playing. Whether I'm blasting through a double bass section or laying down my thunderous grooves, these sticks will hit every time. I mean, these things, you can't break them. You can't. Try, Steven Seagal. I dare you.
Yeah.
Let me tell you why I love the Collision sticks. 1, durability. These sticks take a beating. And I beat them. I beat them good. Let's talk about balance and feel. The weight and grip are perfect for speed and control. Versatility. Whether I'm playing super freaking hard or laying down my ghost notes, these things work every time. And let's not forget the Collision community. You guys always are liking each other's posts, pushing each other to do more and do better. Last week I was walking down the street. I saw an old lady playing, just for her fingertips on a trash can. And I said, "Oh, you're a drummer?" I said, "What sticks do you use?" She even used Collision Drumsticks. I mean, everyone is using Collision Drumsticks these days. Go get them. Try them out yourself. Seriously, these things will last forever. All right, enough talking. Zip it, Dylan. It's time to finally show you me playing drums for my band Sonic Taboo, a song off their debut album, Sonic Taboo, the song Black Chopper. Expect fast fills, heavy grooves, and pure adrenaline. Let's go. if you're a drummer looking for sticks that can handle anything, Collision sticks, think no further. I want to give a huge shout out to the Collision family, to the social media team, to all the drummers on the roster. You guys are great. It's keeping vibes high. It's keeping grooves grooving. I'll see you guys on the road, behind the kit, in the pit. Keep it loud. Keep it heavy. Keep it grooving, baby. Take care.